do frog position and how to do that. Hello everyone, today we'll do frog position and how to do that. I will show you some exercises which help you to do that. So first what you're starting to do, we are starting from our warm-up because it's important that you can open your hips. So I will start on my legs and starting to slowly stretching. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and now move to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, after that I will get seat and working, taking legs, open our hips and take down. So 2, 3, 4, and open our legs and stretching. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, after that take our pillow, take the legs together and slide our legs in this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the legs together, take our breath, slowly breathe out and slide down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So amazing stretching. I hope that you like it. Bye bye.